Stealing is bad. Taking something that doesn't belong to you is wrong, unless you know how to steal like an artist. Steal like an artist is a motivating, self-help, and practical book. This book influences people that we should not think about the originality at the first, but you have to start something. You have to start producing something. This book shows that the originality comes from rethinking existing ideas. Street Like an Artist by Austin Kleon, New York Times bestseller book, was published on 2012. This book received very positive reviews on various websites. If we talk about Barnes& Noble and Goodreads, so on Goodreads it received about 3.6 out of 5, and on Barnes& Noble it received about 4.7 out of 5. These ratings represent that overall readers really like this book. The author of Steal Like an Artist is Austin Kleon. He is a writer and an artist. He wrote many books, which includes Newspaper Blackout, Show Your Work, Keep Going. He uses some creative visuals and art sketches in this book that represents what he's trying to say in a very creative way. Kleon's writing style in this book is very simple and motivational. He writes this book like he giving advice to his close friend, which makes the books easy to understand and enjoyable for us. He gives very practical advices in this book. He didn't use any complicated words which make the book difficult to understand. The theme of the Steal Like an Artist is that creativity isn't about being completely original. But the author tries to say we didn't run after the originality, but we should take ideas from others and rethink them in our own ways. Author says it's okay to steal someone's art until unless you add your unique touch into them. This is what he means by steal like an artist. Artist guide in this book are for all the peoples who wants to create something, whether you are a writer, actor, musician, designer. This book is very helpful. This book has many practical advices for all the people who belong to the creative fields. Impact and legacy of Steal Like an Artist. Steal Like an Artist has impacted lives of many artists and creative peoples. This book helped many people to overcome their creative blocks. This book has become the source of inspiration for many artists and creatives. This book helps people to just create something. This book guides us. We should not wait until we have a completely new and original idea. As the authors already explains in this book that originality means nothing. Originality is something that we produce from taking ideas from already existing works and the art. Then the Austin Kleon explains that all the creative works that builds are based on something that already came before. It's just undetected plagiarism. Feel like an artist is most recommended for the aspiring artists, people who wants to achieve success in their creative fields, like people who are already in the field of art and creative, people who wants to boost their creativity, and lastly, people who wants to unlock their creative potential, who wants to think outside the box. Like an artist has left a huge impact on my life and on my creative journey. My personal favorite chapter in this book was Use Your Hands. This chapter reflects the importance of using your hands while doing something creative. While you create any project, we just don't have to sit in front of the computer. Like if I summarize this chapter in one quote which was used by the author in this chapter, that goes something like this, that we don't know where we get our ideas from, but what we do know is we don't get from our laptops. So this quote summarizes this chapter, that we don't get our ideas from our laptops by sitting all the time in front of computer. Instead, we should explore something different, like we should do sketches, doodles, and do something with our hands. We should draw something to get better ideas. Austin Kleon makes it clear that creativity is about connecting the dots between what we know and what we will create with it. The best part is that creativity is accessible to everyone and it doesn't require waiting for the perfect idea. We just have to start the work and embracing the process.